Hello, my dear all students. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. This is our ninth week of this semester, and in this week, we are going to know about trapezoidal rules using C programming. As all of you know that what is trapezoidal rules and how it works, which I have already discussed in the theory session, and in lab session we try to do the program by using C programming. Okay, now let's start. At first, I would like to discuss about the algorithm. In trapezoidal rule, you have to start the program by using header files and a main function, and including this, you have to initialize your variables which you want to use. Then input the lower limit and upper limit and the number of sub-intervals, which here are denoted by A, B, and N sequentially. Then find out the difference between A and B, and this is divided by N, by which we can find out the intervals. Okay, now uh, calculate the value of a function of A and function of B, and adding this and put this the value in a variable which is denoted by sum1. Then calculating the remaining terms by using fa plus I into h. That means you have to find out the value of a plus I, which is multiplied by h, and but in the function format, and store it in some in other variable which may be sum2, or you have as you wish you can define any other variable. Then print the value of the area by the formula, which is h divided by 2, then sum 1 plus 2 into sum 2. This is the formula for trapezoidal rule. Then print the area of the area of your trapezium. Then print it and show it or display it, and then stop. Okay, now go to our next slide where you can see that the program is written for you. Okay, there is an example given for you where you can see that the range between 0 and 1, and the function is 1 by 1 plus x squared, and using these functions area by using trapezoidal rule. Okay, at first you have to write the header file, then you initialize a float function which returns the value of functions. That means 1 by 1 plus x squared value. Okay, then you start your main function where you define some variables a, b, n, then sum1, sum2, and area. Okay, and then you have to write another variable if you need. Then put the lower limit, which is denoted by n. Then put the upper limit, which is denoted by b. Then the intervals, that is sub-intervals, and denoted by n. Okay. Then find out the value of h. That means intervals difference of the value, or intervals of the value. As per the algorithm, you have to find the value of sum1, then a value of sum2, and you have to put all these in the equation of trapezoidal rule, which is h by 2 into sum1 plus sum2 into sum1 plus 2 into sum2, which is the area of this equation of trapezium, and print this equation, print this value. Okay, that's all. And you can see the output on your screen, and you have to consider up to 6 decimal places, or 4 decimal places, or 5 decimal places as the question requirement. Okay, that's all. Thank you, and I hope all of you understand the lecture. If you have any question or query, please let me know through e-learning, and please try to join the live session so that you can understand it better. Okay. Okay, thank you all.